do any move.
He didn't, huh? So, okay, so you went to dance today.
Yep.
And how was it?
It was good.
Did you like it?
I'm staying there in the stand.
You want to what?
I'm staying at that.
Okay. Well, so did you learn any new moves today?
Yep.
Can I see them?
I showed them all the move now.
Mm-hmm.
I showed them. Move.
Like, so you showed them a move?
Yep.
Okay, let's see it, dude.
Like this.
Oh, okay.
I did this.
Whew.
But I didn't hold my head when I did this.
Really?
So I put my head up.
There you go. That's good. And then when you finished, what did you have to do?
I was just go down and sit.
No, what did you do with your arms? Do you remember? Show me, beat boys.
I keep my hands straight
Uh-huh.
and do this.
Woohoo!
Heads down.
Did you learn anything else?
No.
Like, what about when the electric fence? Did you learn about the electric fence?
Yep.
Let me see.
We just now we just jumped.
And then at the end, what did you have to do every time you did the end part?
You just go down and take cookies.
No, but remember every time you finished your moves and then you went, show me. Do you remember?
No.
Where you folded your arms.
We do it like this.
And what do you say? Be boys. You say it. Can you, okay. Is that all you have for me? All right. Peace out, brother. Go like this. Go peace out. You do it. Peace out.